Chapter 10. All about MT5 Charts Panel. The chart window is the larger panel in the center of the screen, displaying the historical data of currency pair symbols. In this tutorial, we will focus on the options for managing the chart panel. By right-clicking this section panel, a drop-down menu box will appear with several options for customizing the interface panel. Trading allows you to open a trade on a specific symbol or set up a pending order at a specific price value, depending on your mouse cursor position on the chart. We will explain pending orders in more detail in a separate tutorial. Templates enables you to create, delete, and adjust your templates. This menu will also be explained in more detail later on. Refresh allows you to refresh the chart window. Grid. Toggle the grid on and off according to your preferences. Volumes. Display the volumes, which indirectly represent market activity, by pressing the Volumes option button. If you wish to save as picture, you can save a specific screenshot of the selected chart from the drop-down menu, or you can print it directly by going into File using the Print option. Now let's see how you can create objects in your charts. Object toolbar, located at the top of the Market Watch panel. Alternatively, you can use the Insert tab of the Client terminal. Let's draw a horizontal line by holding down the left mouse button and releasing it at the preferred value. Once the object is attached to your chart, a new option called Object List will appear in your drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your existing objects. Managing objects. You can choose to delete an existing object or edit the properties. To edit an object, you need to select it first and hit the Properties button located on the right side. Once you click it, a new window will open. In the Common tab, you can change the name and description, which will be displayed as long as the Show Object Descriptions is ticked. Here, you can also change the style or color of the object. Parameters tab. You can adjust the values. Visualization tab. Choose the time frame in which the object should be displayed. By default, this is set up to be displayed in all time frames. Attaching indicators. It is also possible to attach indicators to your chart, either from the Navigator window or from the Insert tab. Once you have attached the indicator, a new option will appear in your drop-down menu. This enables you to edit or delete the indicators attached to your chart. You can learn more about this in our tutorial sessions about indicators. Thank you for watching.